Okay, so let's take now the example 4, and basically same stuff. We start by that guy here. So this one here belong to, this group. Okay. Then, and it doesn't belong to, it has no other adjacency. So the second one here belong to the gray group also, and it can be grouped with that, one in a green prime implicant. Okay. Now the third one can be, it's already grouped with its left one with the green, and it can be grouped with its below one or bottom one with another group here. Okay, and remember we can take 3 ones in a group. The number of ones in a group should be a multiple of 2. Okay, we finished with the third one. Let's go on to the second row. This one here belong already to the green, and now it should belong to the red now, a new prime implicant, and it has no other adjacent ones. So let's go to the third row. This one here doesn't belong to anything, but now it can be grouped with one below, and then with another color can be also grouped with one on its right, and no other ones here. Now let's go to the fourth row. I'm gonna take another color, for example this guy. So this one here is already contained in the gray, and it can be grouped with that one. Always take one, look at its adjacent, and remember the sides are foldable or also adjacent. Okay, that one here belongs to the gray and the black, and it has no other adjacent ones. Then the final one here only belong to this pink color or prime implicant now, and yeah, it has no other adjacent ones. Okay, so now let's write what's essential, what's not essential. So essential prime implicant. The gray is essential because basically this one does not belong to any other group. So what is the gray group? It is W is changing, X is not changing, so it's X bar. Z is changing, so Y bar. Okay. Okay, the second group is the green, and the green basically is not essential at all because it has 2 ones and they are contained with other groups, the gray and the blue. So the green is W bar, X bar, Z, because Y is changing. The blue is also not essential because it has 2 ones and both are contained with other groups, the green and the red. But the blue is W Y because Z is changing. W Y Z. I'm sorry. Only X is changing. Here X is X. Here X is X bar. Okay. The red. The red is not essential as well because it has 2 ones. One is the blue, one is the cyan. So let's write the red down here. So W is changing. X is not changing, Y is not changing, Z is not changing. Okay. The cyan or the black one first, no problem. The black is W, the black is not essential as well. So it's W, X is changing, Y is not, Z is not. The cyan is not essential. The cyan is W, X, Z. Y is changing. The gray is already taken. Now the pink one is essential, basically because that guy is not contained with any other group. Okay, so the pink is, let's write this, W, X bar, y is changing, but z is not. Z bar now. Yeah. Now the minimum if we locate the essential prime implicant. And the gray as well. And now we have a lot of choices now. Okay. So, but looks like a decent choice is to take the cyan and the blue. So this is the blue. If we take the blue, we're gonna cover those. If we take the cyan, we're gonna cover the bottom two ones, which is just the rest here. Okay. Yes, that's basically what we should do. If we do the red, we will add two other prime implicants. So we will have three prime implicants instead of two. But with this solution, we have only two prime implicants. Beside, of course, this is a non-essential. So this is the only optimized way. So if minimum here, that's basically why I'm saying that, why it's not set when it comes to minimizing the function is not that easy, because basically it's a visual strength. You should visualize it. Here you should try once, for example, the red with the green, the red with the blue, the sign with the blue, and you will find that the most optimized way is the sign with the blue. If we include the red, we must have two other implicants, the black and the green. So we increased one term, one gate. Okay. If we take the green, okay, we will also have two other. We must include the red and the sign. Okay, and so on. So if the minimum is X bar Y bar plus the pink WX bar Z bar plus then the blue and the cyan WXZ. Okay, that's basically this question here.